Number one, the best armor is to stay out of range. When you're around certain people and in certain environments, you cannot have your back exposed to open places. I don't care if people think you're paranoid. You got to choose the potential battlefield before it even starts, because if you have your back to people and you don't know what's going on behind you, someone else is going to explain why you ended up on the ground. Number two, stay highly alert to pre-fight indicators. Some people will give you the luxury of threatening you beforehand, which is great. Now we know what's coming. But other people are a little more strategic, a little more tactical, and they're going to try to sneak in range so they can get a clear shot on you. And in my opinion, just approaching my immediate vicinity within arm's reach is a pre-fight indicator, and that's when I'm going to start getting ready to move. Number three, you have to land the first effective blow and keep the momentum on your side until the job is done. The person who lands the first effective blow has a 90% chance at victory.